Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we discuss about the terms related to geometry, introduction of theorem and its proof. Let's learn. We have studied many properties of angles, triangles and quadrilaterals through activities. In this standard, we are going to look at the subject geometry with a different point of view. The subject geometry with a different point of view, which was originated by the Greek mathematician Euclid, who lived in the 3rd century before Christian era. He gathered the knowledge of geometry prevailing at his time and streamlined it. त्यांनी त्यांच्या कालखंडातील जी काही जॉमेट्री संदर्भातली माहिती होती ती एकत्रित केली आणि ती सुव्यवस्थितपणे मांडली. He took for granted some self-evident geometrical statements which were accepted by all and called them postulates or axioms. He showed that on the basis of these postulates, some more properties can be proved logically. Here, first, we study about the Euclid's postulates. First postulate, there are infinite lines passing through a point. We draw point. We draw lines passing through a point. How many lines? Infinite lines passing through a point. This is Euclid's postulate. Euclid's postulate, second postulate, there is one and only one line passing through 2 points. Third one, a circle of given radius can be drawn taking any point as its center. वेगवेगळ्या रेडियसचे आपल्याला कोणताही पॉइंट सेंटर म्हणून घेऊ शकतो आणि सर्कल काढू शकतो. बघू. We take this point as a center, this as radius and draw a circle. This point as a center, this segment as a radius, we draw a circle of that radius. Means we can take any point as a center and any radius and draw a circle. Euclid's fourth postulate, all right angles are congruent to each other. Right angles mean 90 degree. All these are right angles. All these angles are congruent to each other because each measure of each angle is equal to 90 degree. इकडे बघा अँगल मध्ये डिग्री त्याचं मेजरमेंट महत्त्वाचं असतं. रे लहान मोठं काढलं, इथं लहान आहे तिथं मोठे आहेत म्हणून हे अँगल वेगळे असं नाही. तर इथं काय महत्त्वाचं आहे त्याचं मेजरमेंट किती आहे, अँगलचं मेजरमेंट That is important. Therefore, all right angles are congruent to each other. This is Euclid's fourth postulate. Fifth postulate. If two interior angles formed on one side of a transversal of two lines add up to less than two right angles, then the line produced in that direction intersect each other. So first we draw two lines and it transversal. Here these two angles are 90 degree. But here this is obtuse, means this is acute. Because these angles are angles in linear pair. Now this is 90 degree and this is acute angle. So addition of these two angles, these two interior angles is equal to less than two right angles, because acute angle is less than 90 and this is 90. Therefore, addition of these two is equal to less than two right angles or less than 180. So, when we produce the lines in this direction, interior angles, these interior angles, in this direction, the lines intersect each other. Line intersect each other. Now write down all these 5 postulates in your notebook. Theorem. A property is supposed to be true if it can be proved logically. Then it is called theorem. In our previous standard, we proved property by activity, but in this standard, we proved the property by logically. Then it is called theorem. Proof. The logical argument made to prove a theorem is called proof. When we are going to prove that a conditional statement is true, its antecedent is called given part and the consequent is called the part to be proved. There are two types of proof: direct proof and indirect proof. In our next lecture, we discuss how to write the proof of given theorem. So, our next lecture is very important lecture. Today, we stop here only. You write down all these postulates and about theorem, proof, etc. Thank you.